Alright friends, in this lesson we will see translate. So, the translate utility class allows us to move elements along x and y axis. So you see, if I use minus translate 6, it moves to this direction. If I use normal translate after number, it moves this direction. If I increase from 2 to 8, it increases the distance. But I can also use translate x and translate y. For example, let's move it a little bit. I come here, I say translate 2, for example. I save it, and then you don't see the difference. I say translate 4, for example. I come here, let's refresh page. Yes, you see the differences. I can use also translate x and translate y. I come here, I can say translate x 4. It just move horizontally. If I say minus translate x, you see it moves to another direction. It moves to the left. I can use translate y 2. If I say minus translate y, it moves upwards. You see, it moves upwards. If I use translate y, it moves downwards. Let's refresh. You see the differences. Great. By doing x and y axis, you can control horizontal or vertical movements individually. We can prefer this. Increasing the value enhances the movement along that axis. Great. See you in the next lesson.